वेलकम टू माय चैनल एंड मेरे को बहुत ज़्यादा क्रेविंग्स हो रही है एंड आई वांटेड टू ईट समथिंग स्वीट। मैंने सोचा ऑर्डर कर लूँ बट इतनी ठंड है तो मैंने कहा डिलीवरी पार्टनर्स को भी क्या ही बॉदर करना। एंड वेल सो आई थॉट कि चलो कुछ डिज़र्ट सीखते छोटा मोटा कोई ईजी डिज़र्ट्स जो मैं बना सकूँ जल्दी से अपने घर में with whatever materials I have available, whatever ingredients I have here. So I came across this recipe while scrolling on Instagram. It was bread butter sorry, bread butter pudding, and it's quite easy. I have went through the reel of those. It is quite easy. So let's go ahead and let's get to some cooking desserts. तो ब्रेड बटर पुडिंग बनाने के लिए ऑब्वियसली आपको चाहिए होगी ब्रेड। मैं बहुत ज़्यादा क्वांटिटी में नहीं बना रही हूँ, आपके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है बिकॉज आई एम जस्ट मी। सो आई विल बी जस्ट कुकिंग इन दिस बिग bowl, glass bowl. It's actually a lunch box, so I'll just use it for baking. And please don't mind me guys, मेरा थोड़ा गला खराब है. So yeah, I've taken brown bread for now. I'll probably take 4 of these and इसके sides मैंने कट कर दिए हैं. तो आपको ब्रेड चाहिए रहेगी और इसके sides आपको हटाने रहेंगे. After that you would also require butter of course as per your choice. मैंने इतना बटर लिया है. I don't want much butter. You need to melt this butter. वो melted butter चाहिए होगा अपने taste के according. Then you guys would be needing some milk. अगर आप बड़े बोल में बना रहे हैं तो about 500 grams and उस पर at least 100 grams of sugar. But क्योंकि मेरा बोल छोटा है तो I'll improvise and स्वाद अनुसार अंदाजे से मैं उसमें दूध डालूंगी और मैं उसमें चीनी डालूंगी. अगेन आई डोंट यूज शुगर, सो चादरी डालूंगी. Sorry. You can also put honey if you're somebody that doesn't intake sugar or any other sugar alternatives. Also उसके अलावा if you want to put some dry fruits, some raisins, कुछ डालना चाहते हैं आप तो आप उसमें वो भी डाल सकते हैं. और apart from that, if you want to put some chocolate in it, you can do that. Some fruits in it, you can also do that. उसके अलावा what else is required? Yes, you would need so अगर आप बड़े बोल में बना रहे हैं जहाँ पर आप 500 grams of milk ले रहे हैं with 100 grams of sugar, you will require 4 eggs with the yolks. मैं छोटे बोल में बना रही हूँ, so I think one would be enough. If I think no, then I might add 2. So let's see how we're just going to go with the flow. And ये सारी चीज़ें आपको चाहिए रहेंगी. So basically this is the ingredient list and ये रही मेरी bread. So I'm just going to cut it into the sides. I'll take them off like one moment. So just a second. Yeah, so that is done. So I've taken off my bread sides and इसको मैं half में cut करूँगी. So you can divide it into halves, both the breads. If I think if need be कि मुझे लग रहा है कि ज़्यादा चाहिए रहेगा तो मैं बाद में ज़्यादा भी add कर दूँगी. I'm just going to in the meanwhile melt my butter and oops. Yeah, I'm gonna melt my butter and आपको पता है when I say that cooking is all about experimenting. Now this was not included in the original dish. However, because I like to experiment with my food, what I'm going to do here is I am going to hang on. Yeah, one sec. Right then. So मैंने ये इसमें ब्रेड सेट कर लिया अपनी. I'll just press it down a bit with my hand. With the milk what I'm going to do is because I do like और आपको vanilla essence भी चाहिए रहेगा. So you will need to also need some vanilla essence at hand. What I'm going to do, मैं खाली दूध नहीं डालना मांगती. I want a bit of vanilla flavor to it, like more of a vanilla flavor. So here's what I'm going to do. I am going to, here we are. Oh, I thought I had custard. This happens to be jelly. चलो कोई नहीं, छड्डो फिर. Oh no. Let me see. Hold on. I think I do have custard. No, I don't have custard. Damn. Nevertheless, so I thought I had custard at home. तो मैं उसमें होने लगा custard डालती, but custard नहीं है तो lots of vanilla essence, I guess. And I'm also going to then add some chocolate sprinklers. I have it here. So मैं ये करूँगी and yeah, if you want to add lemon, you can also add a bit of a lemon का zest in your pudding just to have that zesty flavors. If you want, you can do that. Again, be very mindful because अब दूध भी डाल रहे हो तो आपको दूध फटना नहीं चाहिए. So you just be very mindful. Also, I'm thinking I'll also with the milk, not pura milk, I'll add some cream also because I do have the cream as well. Yeah. So yeah. All that I have. If you want to make a chocolate pudding, you can of course add cocoa or you can add melted chocolate in it. So you can do that. So let me just quickly get the prepping done and I'll show you how it looks. So bread to maine kar li hai. I'm just going to melt my butter and I'm just going to just whisk some eggs. Hold on a minute. Okay guys, so the butter, I don't know if you can see or not. Just show you guys. Yeah. Oh god. It's okay. So the butter is melted and I could only make you see like so. Sorry if you were able to see my mess also. Then I've taken 2 eggs here since I don't have that custard powder. So I'm just going to be adding this melted butter on the top of this bread. Yay. जब ये बटर मेल्ट हो रहा था तो बहुत ही अच्छा खुशबू आ रहा था और बहुत ही अच्छा अरोमा एंड ASMR टाइप्स वाला फील आ रहा था. So I'll just put it here. I'm going to crack my eggs now and let's get on to it. So 2 eggs this is. Oh gosh. Okay. Rinse my hand. Okay, so I've taken 2 eggs here, as you can see. I'm just gonna whisk it like just with a fork quickly. Now I'm not adding any nuts or whatever onto it. I'll just let it be for now. But I will, however, add, because अगर nuts है तो I have almonds and walnuts, but उसको फिर crack करना पड़ेगा, काटना पड़ेगा, and I don't want to do that because it's a lazy girl's emergency sort of dessert, and so we're just gonna roll with it. So these are the chocolate sprinklers. This is my this thing bread, and इसके ऊपर से I'm just spreading that. So, spreading this. ताकि ज़्यादा फ्लेवर नहीं, बट हाँ थोड़ा सा फ्लेवर आए. Also on that pudding का authentic taste. So I'm not gonna add too much. I think that's about it. But yes, if you're somebody who is into chocolate and अगर आप इसको chocolate pudding बनाना चाहते हैं, so of course you can add chocolate also at this point in time. Okay. Oh, oops! I think I broke it. All right. So that's done. And because I don't eat sugar, so we have jaggery. Now अपने जो हमने eggs beat करे हैं, I'm just gonna pop some jaggery onto it. And also it doesn't take time, तो मैंने इसमें in the meanwhile जब मैं ये prep कर रही हूँ, मैंने अपना माइक्रोवेव ऑन कर दिया है ना, मेरा चम्मच इतना बड़ा है एंड सो आई थिंक आई विल बी एडिंग 3 to 4 spoons of jaggery into it. Okay, so that is done. Now I'm going to add my vanilla powder into it. Sorry, vanilla essence. Here is my vanilla essence. You can add any essence if you want. You can add orange essence or if you have strawberry one. So you can do that. I'm just going to add एक ढक्कन मैंने डाल दिया है because I love vanilla. Yeah, I think that should be sufficient. So that is done as well. Now I'm just going to mix it really well. It's easy. Just going to whisk it. Sorry. ये तो टंग ट्विस्टर सा है. मैं विस्कर से इसको नहीं कर रही हूँ, ब्लेंडर से नहीं कर रही हूँ, बिकॉज आई नो कि अगर इसमें चंक्स रह भी जाएंगे जैगरी के तो आई एम अज्यूमिंग कि बिकॉज बटर भी है तो थोड़े कैरेमलाइज हो जाए, तो ये मेरा होप है. सो हियर इट इज. नाउ hold on a minute, this is done. All right, I'm gonna get some milk. Hi guys, so yeah, I'm back. I don't know what happened, the video stopped due to some reason. Now more or less इसमें घुल चुका है jaggery. It has that jaggery color also in my eggs, and I'm just going to now take some milk. Just a second. मैं सबसे मलाई सेपरेट कर लूँ बस ज़रा. Oopsie. So I do have like the cream here also. If I want, I'll see अगर क्रीम डालना रहेगा तो. वैसे तो उसमें था नहीं ओरिजिनल रेसिपी में, बट क्योंकि मैं एक्सपेरिमेंट. ओह क्रैप. ओके, कोई नहीं. आई ड्रॉप माय फोक. ओके, सो लेट्स सी. 500 ग्राम्स बोला था उन्होंने, बट मैं 500 ग्राम्स तो नहीं लूँगी. टेकन ए the hell a cup. Okay, I've taken a cup of milk here. गिर था. Yeah, so I've taken a cup of milk. I'm just going to add it in my butter wala, sorry, egg wala batter sorts. 1 कप दूध लिया है मैंने इसमें अभी, and I'll just mix it very nicely like so. I've added it here, taken it in a clear bowl, and let's see. ऑल्सो जब ये सब हो रहा है तो ये आपको करने में ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं लगेगा, बिकॉज छोटे मोटे इंग्रेडिएंट्स, ज़्यादा बड़ी रेसिपी है नहीं. तो मैंने अपना अपना जो अवन है वो मुश्किल से 10 मिनट्स और सो के लिए प्री हीट पे लगा देते. जब अगर आप इसको बेक कर रहे हैं अवन में तो ये 160 डिग्रीज पे बेक होगा फॉर अबाउट 40 मिनट्स. अबाउट नहीं, 40 to 45 मिनट्स. बट इफ यू डोंट हैव एन अवन यू कैन ऑल्सो डू इट द ओल्ड स्कूल वे. आप अपने किसी बर्तन में पानी लेके एक कुछ रखकर उसके ऊपर भी इसको स्टीम कर सकते हैं फॉर अगेन अबाउट 40 to 45 मिनट्स, जैसे हम इडली वगैरह को स्टीम करते हैं इफ यू डोंट हैव ए स्टीमर एट हैंड. सो या, तो अब ये मोर और लेस हो चुका है. आई एम गोइंग टू ऐड इट ऑन द टॉप ऑफ माय दिस वन ब्रेड का मिक्सचर जो है. सो हियर इट इज. अच्छे से मैं इसको सब तरफ डाल दूंगी ताकि ये अच्छे से जस्ट कर ले, इसको अच्छे से सूख हो जाए मेरी ब्रेड इसमें, और ये बहुत ही डिलीशियस लगे फिर बनकर. आई थिंक थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो रहा है, सो आई लेट द ब्रेड. ये देखिए कम भी हो गया है, ये पूरा भर गया था यहाँ तक, एज यू कुड हैव सीन. अब ये कम हो गया बिकॉज द ब्रेड हैज सोक्ड ऑल द मिक्सचर. सो आई pour the difference also. इसमें थोड़ा सा और है गया है. Give me a minute. I'll just put it down. Make sure your jaggeries and your this thing is equally melted in, because मेरा जैगरी हुआ नहीं है तो मैं उसको ऊपर डाल रही हूँ इसके, ताकि वो थोड़ा कैरेमलाइज हो जाए अच्छे से. So yeah, this is done. I'll just spread it evenly across. Yeah, ठीक है, ये हो गया है. I'll just put this away. Now, oh, this is mostly done. Let me see if I want to add a bit of a cream to it. Or you can also add cream later, however. अब मेरे दूध में से अगेन जो मलाई निकली थी, I'm a big fan of मलाई. जो मलाई निकली थी, I have just whisked it really good. So ये इसकी consistency ऐसी होगी. I'm just going to apply a very small layer of it over my pudding. Going to be a wonderful cream pudding. I wish custard होता तो और भी अच्छा होता. Again, if you want to grate an apple, or if you want to put an apple, you can always do that. If you want to put, I don't know, maybe strawberry or blueberry, you can do that. Or if you want to add chocolate, you can do that. So there are a couple of other options. So ये मेरा ready हो चुका है. Covered it in milk. I'll let it soak. और इसी के साथ ही सब बेक हो जाएगा. Hang on a minute. I'll show you how it looks. Okay. It's yummy. Cream is yummy. I keep dropping things only. Am I the only clumsy one, or are you also the clumsy one? So here, what I'm going to do, here's jaggery leke. I'm just going to put it over. Glaze it over the cream, ताकि जब ये बेक हो तो ये जैगरी और ये क्रीम, जैगरी क्रीम में अच्छे से कैरेमलाइज हो जाए, एक अच्छा सा सुंदर सा टेस्टी सा बन जाए ये. ऑफ कोर्स जब ये कैरेमलाइज होगा तो इट विल गिव अ वेरी गुड कलर टू योर पुडिंग, एंड इट विल ऑल्सो गिव ए गुड टेस्ट. अगेन आप इसको ड्रेसअप कर सकते हैं किसी भी से, but yeah, I think that's about it, and I'll just show you how it looks. This looks yummy. If you want to add some honey, you can. I don't want to add any honey or fruits right now, or any walnuts or dry fruits or whatever it is. So I'll just show you guys a quick clip how this looks, and I'm going to place it in my oven. So yeah, I'll be back. So guys, ये ऐसा दिख रहा है. इसके ऊपर मैंने थोड़ा सा जैगरी पाउडर क्रश करा. दिस इज द क्रीम, दिस इज द पुडिंग डाउन हियर. यू कैन सी द चॉकलेट स्प्रिंकलर्स, एवरीथिंग इज वेल सोक्ड एंड कवर्ड. आई एम गोइंग टू पुट दिस इन द oven now at 160 degrees for 40 to 45 minutes until I can see it's all coming together. And like I said, if you don't have an oven, you can do it the old school way. आप अपने किसी पैन में या कुकर में पानी भर के एक बर्तन रख के उसके ऊपर रख सकते हैं, इसको पका सकते हैं, बेक कर सकते हैं for about 40 to 45 minutes again until it's done, the old school way that we do. So yeah, I'll be back in some time and I'll show you how it has come out to be, and let's hope it turns out to be tasty. I'll see you in a while. Bye. So guys, here is the pudding in the oven. I think it'll take another 15 minutes, and it's rising up as you can see. And कितना ASMR हो रहा है ना गाइस इसके स्टॉप वॉच सॉर्ट ऑफ थिंग्स हैं टाइमर से. एंड अभी लाइट चलेगा, देन यू विल बी एबल टू सी हाउ ब्यूटिफुली इट इज कमिंग थ्रू. लेट्स wait for the lights to come. It will take a while. Isn't this So quick and easy to make, and I'm sure it will be delicious. Now see, it looks delicious and so beautiful. I'll see you guys when it's done. Ta-da! Hi guys, welcome back. It's been a while. जब से मेरी pudding चढ़ी थी, please don't mind the drippings. It's just the milk. The pudding has risen up, as you can see, and it is done. And it's really hot. I just took it out of the oven. So ये बहुत गर्म है अभी. So that's how it looks. It gets over crusty on the top and ऐसे हो जाता है side में. So yeah, I'm sure it's yummy. I'm just going थोड़ा ठंडा हो जाएगा तो I'll eat it in a bit. But yeah, that's how it is. Hi guys, welcome back. So the pudding is all done. वो भी ठंडी हो रही है, तो when it's done I'm gonna eat it. थोड़ा ठंडा हो जाएगा तो please do try this recipe and let me know how it is in the comment section. If there is anything else you want me to try, please do let me know. And I keep, like I said before also, I do experiment a lot with my cooking. मेरे को cook करना बहुत अच्छा लगता है चीज़ें. And I've got this little oven of mine, so I've been baking also for some time now. So yeah, I really do enjoy it. अब मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि cooking is a stress buster for me. I don't know if it is for you. If it is, let me know. If it's not, you let me know what it is. Is it listening music or just chatting with your friends? For me, it's all those things, of course, and cooking. So that's why I keep trying all these new things. And thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Happy baking and happy eating. And I'll see you in the next one. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you're returning or existing subscriber, I am very grateful from the bottom of my heart. Please don't mind how I look. Raat ke 1:30 baj rahe when I'm doing this, so I really don't know. And I was super hungry, but I wanted to really shoot it. So I was like, मेकअप को छोड़ो, चलो फटाफट वीडियो बनाते हैं, तैयार करते हैं क्योंकि बहुत भूख लग रही है. Alright, I'll see you in the next one, guys. Ta-ta, bye-bye.